What's going on, my beautiful people from YouTube? Guys, I'm really excited to be back with you. Now, I want to talk to you guys about three things. First, a little giveaway slash update on the channel. Secondly, I'm going to show you the calculator and why, staking DPR in your mini is so important. Third, I'm going to show you how to stake DPR within your mini so that you can earn a higher credit score right away. So, first things first, usually this is what I talk about and what I do. Like, go ahead and like the video, comment. You all are amazing, so I know you're going to do that anyway. Here's a more important thing. My channel was just actually taken down, which is kind of ridiculous. I was live streaming. Over 50 people were watching the live stream, and the channel was just taken down. And here's what I was talking about. I was talking about, some silly little, thing like NFTs. I talked about NFTs, Degen Lizzie, and then I jumped over to Star Atlas, and all of a sudden, boom, my channel is gone, like all gone. And the one request that I have for you, if you can please help me get a little bit of traction when it comes to Twitter. I'm going to put the link down below to the Twitter post and see if this, YouTube can actually get around to putting a real human being to look at this and clear up the channel, because I want to provide you guys with value, and I can't do that unless I have a way to post videos up. This is my second channel, so thank you for the ones that were able to find this and are, following along this video. Thank you so much for following me here. It means a lot. I promise you, like the channel took off because of all of you, not because of me, because of all the support you guys have provided. So with that being said, let me just jump right into this DPR thing, because I think it's really important, and I do want it to benefit all of you guys. The channel is not for me, it's for you. Here, this is the DPR calculator, and what we're talking about is actually staking for credit. With your Deeper Connect minis, nanos, you are not going to be able to earn a credit score unless you stay on the network for a little while. 4 to 6 months is the average for you to be able to get 100 credit score. The other way around, of going around this is actually staking DPR tokens. And staking simply means you're putting it down and grabbing it later. That's the idea, and I want to show you exactly how to do that. But here are the numbers. Right now, with the mini, and this is the basic tab inside of the DPR calculator, which there will also be a link down below. You can stake from 5,000 all the way up to 100,000 DPR, and the higher you stake, the higher your daily rewards will be. Yeah, you're not actually paying for it. You're just locking up some tokens for a limited amount of time. And given the price of DPR right now, it's actually, in my opinion, a good deal. You can see your token price rise and get something really nice out of it, which is actually earning more tokens. And again, like, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm telling you this because I believe in this token, and I'm actually doing this myself. Now, let's talk about how this thing actually works, right? Because I've gotten already some questions. Even though I don't have the channel up right now, I'm already getting questions about how do I take care of this? How do I do this? So here it is. This is the registration form. Again, link is going to be right down below. What you want to put in, I like using my email to do the registration. So put in your email address. It's going to, get a notification there, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. But you're going to have to figure out what this image here says. And when you do that, after you put this image code inside of here, so whatever it is, you're going to have the ability of hitting the send button. When you send that email, you're going to get a notification. That is good for 30 minutes, according to the email, of course. You want to put that in there. Then you want to pick a password. Password here on the second one for please confirm your password as well. Now, address. The address you want to put in here is your ERC20 address. That's your MetaMask wallet. The wallet you're going to use to stake your DPR tokens. That's really important because that really matters at the end of the day. Like, where are the tokens going to come from? That's where you put it in. Now, register login code. What the heck is a register login code? Well, I can show you what that looks like. This is your register login code, the number that's right below the login information. That's where you're going to grab that code from. Now, there is another option here. Oop, wrong tab. Register input serial number. Okay, so the serial number, how do you grab that? And I'm going to actually show you a little trick while I do this. When you log in, you're going to end up on this page right here, which is the main page for your device. You want to go on the left side to System, which is one of the first tabs there. And you're going to see your serial number listed at the very beginning where it says hardware information. Now, some of you might have an older version of the software, which right now, obviously, you can see mine is old, and I did this on purpose. It's 1.1.0.c13. That's not good. I need to update this. And I can leave my auto update on and wait for this to actually update on its own. Or if you uncheck this box, you can do a manual upgrade right away. And this is what it does. Now I'm going to fast forward because I don't want you guys to have to wait for this thing, but this is the way to get around the system and actually speed things up. But going back to the registration form, as soon as you put all that information in, you're going to be able to actually click submit, and you're going to land here. It's going to say you need to create a deeper chain wallet first. Confirm. This is important. You want to be able to create that deeper chain wallet. Now, here's the wallet creation. And before I move forward, I want to remind you, when you create your wallet, please write down your information. Not only write it down, put it in a safe, put it out, put it somewhere where you're not going to lose it. And don't do it digitally. This is my recommendation because you don't want anybody else getting a hold of your key. Because if they have that, well, they have access to all of your funds that you're going to be mining. So I'm going to go ahead and create a wallet. I have not done this yet. So I'm going to do this right here with you right now. Yeah, see that? Please, 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 please save your wallet information. I'm going to confirm. I downloaded my private key. And again, the private key works similarly to these words that are on my screen. And the way I like to do it is usually just put it on a little notepad myself, and I can print this out rather quickly and kind of get going with my day. And I can put it away. I usually print a few different versions, and I just put it away. That way, I can have a copy in multiple different locations, so that in case there's a fire, God forbid, I still have access to my information, which is pretty darn important. So I'm probably going to speed up this process here so that you guys don't have to wait for me to actually look at these words and clean them up on my little document, and you can get right into it. All right, let me do this. I'm going to click, I wrote down the mnemonic phrase. Perfect. Now what I need to do in this section is actually click all of the words one at a time in order to ensure that, yes, I have actually written down my mnemonic phrase. And this is just an easy way for them to confirm that you indeed have done your due diligence and have written down the information that you need to write down. All right, here we are. So now that I've created my wallet, I just took it out so you guys can't see my wallet. That's all it is. It says mining active. No, mining is not active. So I can't see my wallet inside of my mini. That's because my mini is not yet on the deeper chain. So here's how we're going to do it. We're going to click choose a plan. And you have not activated the mining function. You can also stake 1,000 DPR to activate the mining function to get to 0 credits. Great. I'm going to click on that button right there. And I'm going to click on my wallet inside of MetaMask here. I'm going to click connect. Connecting to my wallet. And look at that. I'm able to now stake. I'm going to stake this 1,000 DPR here. I'm going to confirm transaction. Again, we're waiting because it's actually getting written to the blockchain and I can't do anything about it. I just have to wait until that transaction is confirmed. If you guys are wondering how to check some of those things, if you click on your MetaMask wallet, you do have the ability of seeing the activity and seeing what's going on right there. You see how it says pending? As soon as that is approved, I will be able to take a look at my staked amount. Max fee unknown processing time. That means that the network is busy. Well, whatever. Again, there's always two transactions you have to confirm. I'm just going to click confirm. Doesn't matter how long it takes. I'm just going to let this thing go through. So transaction 1 went through. Now I'm waiting for the second transaction to go through. And as always, you can always click on a little MetaMask and see what the contract interaction looks like. Look at that, stake successful. Please wait patiently for your credits to be synchronized to the device. Wonderful. This means that my device will now show up on the network. All right, and now we're back here, and we can see that DPR stake does say 1,000. I have not restarted my unit because I want to be able to record this video, and I need to also wait a little bit to make sure that everything actually gets synced up for that 1,000 DPR that I did stake. So right now, I'm actually going to go ahead and choose a plan. And I can actually stake. There's no more message on the bottom there, and I can stake. Let's say I want to stake, 10,000 DPR for a 30% APR. I'm going to click. All right, now that I click that, it's going to show me my serial number, my deeper chain wallet. It's going to show you my ERC20 wallet address, as well as my DPR balance inside of my wallet. And I can go ahead and click stake once again for these 10,000 DPR. I do have 10,000.067 DPR in my wallet, so I do have enough. I'm going to click stake. I'm going to get prompted here from MetaMask. It's going to tell me about gas fees. So it's looking about 16 bucks right now. I'm going to click confirm. And all I have to do is wait a little bit until it gets written to the blockchain. Perfect. So it was successful. Now I'm good to go. And again, it says it does take a little bit for this thing to actually go through. So I can go back and I'll blur my wallet address out. But you're going to see that I have credit from staking. 200. Now it shows me exactly how much credit I have. I'm going to restart my unit. Now we'll be good to go. It does take a little bit, again, like I was saying, so that it can all be synced up. I almost forgot, guys. Like, this is important. So I'm recording this afterwards. I'm going to insert it in the video, but you need to make sure that your wallet is actually bound to your mini. So here's what it looks like right now. On the left side of your screen, once you restart your unit, you're going to see this wallet under DPR, and there's a wallet manager. So what you want to do is bind wallet. Either if you downloaded that file, you can just use this bind wallet with private key, and all it does is ask you to upload that file, or you can bind wallet with the mnemonic phrase that you wrote down. I have it copied here, so I'm just going to paste it. Clicked OK, and now I'm good to go. My, I'm bound. Everything's good to go. I can click on my wallet balance, and it's going to show me exactly what I have. It shows me that I have a 200 credit score, and my balance is right there. So this is it. Back to the original video. This is it. This is how you stake. This is how you get your Deeper Connect Mini to start mining DPR right away. This is what you all have been waiting for. So I know I'm bringing it to you in a secondary channel, but my goal is to provide you guys with value. So if this was valuable whatsoever, smash that like button, leave a comment down below so that the YouTube algorithm knows that, hey, this video is actually worth something and we shouldn't shut down this channel. That was sad because they shut down my main channel. All right. All jokes aside, thank you guys. Thank you for the support. This can be super crushing to have something like this happen. And I'm trying to stay in good spirits because I know all of you guys are incredible and have been super supportive. So thank you so much. Take care, everybody. Bye.